Okay, so this is equal to 10. Okay, so these are the means that you can take from the random samples taken of size 3. We have 3, 2.67. Now, if you recall in our previous discussions, we have a random variable. If this is a random variable, every random variable has a distribution, a probability distribution. Now, X bar, this is a statistics, and it's also a random variable. So, meron din siyang probability distribution. Ang tawag sa kanyang probability distribution, this is the sampling distribution of X bar. Sampling distribution of X bar. Okay? Now, saan ang sampling distribution ito? Okay. Let's make use of the value of our X bar. Now, your probability of X bar, this is the sampling distribution now, or the probability distribution of your sample mean. We call this the sampling distribution of the sample mean also. Okay. So, when your X bar is, the lowest value here is 2. Okay. When your X bar is 2.0, that is 1 out of 10. So, this is 1 over 10. Now, another is, if your X bar, next to that, is 2.33, we have also 1 over 10. Another, when your X bar is 2.67, okay, merong 2 over 10, okay? Then next to 2.67, we have 3.0. Now, your 3.0, we have also dalawa, no? Okay, so we have 2 over 10. Another, if your X bar is 3.33, meron din tayong 2 over 10. And 3.67, if your X bar is 3.67, we have 1 over 10. And if your X bar is 4.0, there, ito yung 4.0, we have 1 over 10. Okay, let's try to create a graph out of this, because this is the probability distribution of X bar. So we have 1 over 10, 2 over 10. Okay, so we have here the lowest value of the X bar is 2.0, 2.33, 2.67, 3.0, 3.33, 3.67, and 4.0. Okay, so this is 1 over 10, 1 over 10. This is 2 over 10, 2 over 10, 2 over 10, then 1 over 10, 1 over 10. Now, you see that? This is symmetric. Diba? Kung dadami-dadami yung random samples natin, assuming we take, let us say, your population units is 100, tapos you take a sample of 30, tapos dadami-dadami itong beans, it will estimate your normal distribution. Kasi, the sampling distribution or the probability distribution for your X bar is normal. Now, back to the sample. Ano nga ba yung mean natin dito? Your mean is called that mu, the population mean. We add all this, 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2, so that is 15. Divided by, there are 5 observations, so our mean is 3.0. Okay? Now, ito naman, what about this? If we add all this, if we add all that, that is actually, let's call that the mean of all X bar. Tawagin natin yan, ha? So we have 3.0 plus 2.67 plus lahat yun i-add natin 3.67 over, there were 10 samples of size 3. So this is actually 30 over 10, assuming there are no rounding off. So this is 3.0. You see, your population mean is actually equal to the mean also of your X bar. So ibig sabihin, your sample mean is a good estimate of the population mean. And it has a distribution. This is shown in the central limit central limit theorem link I sent in your blogspot. This is normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma squared over n. So kung ito yung variance, ibig sabihin, the standard deviation would be sigma over the square root of n. Okay?